Good evening, everybody. March 31, 2020. Exciting times, crazy times. So, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you or show everybody my personal investment strategy because I honestly believe that in spite of all of the chaos, this is the best time to enter the stock market, and to be exact, the Philippine Stock Exchange stock market. And what I'm going to be talking about here is a financial product called a unit investment trust fund, or UITF. It's basically a financial instrument that would mirror the Philippine Stock Exchange. So guys, first let's take a look at the markets. All right, guys. So just to summarize the charts that I showed you earlier, this is the 52-week low, 4,600. So remember, last week we hit the 52-week low because of NCOV. Now, the 52-week high is actually at 8,400. So how much did we lose last week? We lost about 4,200 in value for the Philippine Stock Exchange. So that's about almost 50%. Boom. Now, I claimed support, or when you say support, that is the level where it's kind of the bottom, or very there's a very big possibility that it won't go lower than that, and I called it at 4,700. Did I invest? No. Why didn't I invest? Cold feet. Somebody told me that the absolute bottom would be 3,700. And during that time, we really weren't sure what was going to happen in the local scene with NCOV, or the CPP virus. So there weren't very clear guidelines, and there was a lot of FUD, which is fear, uncertainty, the DS. So there was a lot of uncertainty in the market and fear. So I got cold feet, and I thought would have gone down to 3,700, but in fact, it stayed strong. And from 4,700 today, the market is at 5,000 here, 5,321, guys. See, so that's a big bounce back. Did we lose? Would I have wanted it to be at 4.7? Of course, but I think this is a good place already to invest in the market. Okay, guys, so what am I going to do? I have an extra 20,000 pesos. I don't have much money, guys. Maybe some of you have 50,000, 100,000. Okay, so the extra money that I do have, I'm gonna try to buy a unit investment trust fund, or UITF, from East West Bank tomorrow morning. So supposedly you can buy one and it would be at the market value at the time, but it has to be before 10:30 a.m. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and hopefully I can buy at 5,200 or probably lower. Now, my target is it's going to bounce back to the all-time 52-week high of 8,400, and I'm looking actually at a 2-year timeline. So what's the bet that I'm making? I'm betting that the markets will come back to normal within 2 years. So guys, with this, we're actually looking at an ROI of 161%. My 20,000 becomes 32,200. Now guys, I'm not a licensed financial analyst, financial broker, whatever. You guys can take my advice, or you don't really have to. But this is a bet that I'm actually making. So anyway, if you guys have other opinions, or you guys have something that you can contribute, come on guys, let's keep the discussion going, because we're all about looking for business opportunities and all about investing, because I'm looking at this time and I'm seeing it as a big opportunity for first-time investors. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, signing off. Namaste. Keep safe, guys. We can do this together. Let's do this together.